Hello, my students. How are you doing? You always tell me on how to write a good paragraph, and you have so many problems concerning this topic. So today I'm going to show you some very simple tips on how to memorize tips on writing a good paragraph. So follow with me. This traffic light will help us to write a good paragraph. So the first thing you have to do is to memorize these traffic lights. So before writing a paragraph, you have to stop and think, what is the topic sentence for this paragraph? What is the main idea? Slow down and give details. Give one or two details to explain your topic sentence. You can use examples here. Go write a closing sentence at the end and you can go to the next paragraph. Simply, you only have three important steps to follow: the topic sentence, details, and concluding idea. So let's discover more. For example, in the topic sentence you can write, we throw away different kind of waste every day. This is the topic sentence. For example, we throw away papers, cards, glasses, bottles, metals, and plastic. Another example of waste is kitchen waste. It includes vegetables, peelings, and food left over. We should stop producing so much waste. This is closing sentence. And here I had mentioned some details about my paragraph. Uh, for example, such as well as, in addition. Here in this part you have to add more examples. Example number 2. There are many ways we can reduce waste. As usual, this is the topic sentence. For example, we can reduce waste by using less packaging. We can also reduce waste by recycling. So the three R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle, can help us reduce waste. This is the closing sentence. And always we have examples or details to write more information about my paragraph. Suggested paragraph. We can recycle waste to save our environment. For example, we can swap the old books with friends so everyone can have new books to read, or we can give out the old clothes to the poor. There are some examples of recycling. Another paragraph, we can also reuse waste to save our environment. For example, we can use a show book to store toys or pens, or we can also turn the Coca-Cola glass bottles into a vase. In this way, we can turn the waste into useful things again. So here is another paragraph. Please take a moment and circle the topic sentence and circle too, in using another color, the details of the paragraph, and at the end circle a concluding idea or closing idea. Thank you so much for following. I hope that lesson is very short and simple for you as beginners to understand a good method of writing a good paragraph. So thank you so much for following. Take care and goodbye. See you in the coming lesson.